Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this simple tutorial, we will learn to use the Extrude and Rib. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint in this edge. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this line with 56 millimeters. Create this line here with 16 millimeters and create this line here. And the distance between this point and the midpoint here is 10 millimeters, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint. This line here, 56 millimeters, 16 millimeters here, and make another line here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 10 millimeters, okay? And now we will create this line. And this line here has 84 millimeters of length, okay? And we will close the sketch here. So select a line, click here in this point, 84 millimeters, and close the sketch here. Finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 50 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 50 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create this rib. And this rib is coincident with this edge, and the distance between this edge here and this one is 13 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch and select the front plane, show this body here, and go to create project include project, select this face and press OK. And I will hide this body a little bit, select a line, click here in this point, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 13 millimeters, and finish the sketch. Show this body, and the thickness here is 10 millimeters. We have 50 minus 20 minus 20, okay? So go to create, select rib, the profile, select this line here, the thickness 10 millimeters, the thickness direction symmetric. Maybe you will need to flip the direction, okay? And press OK. And now we will create this sketch here. Okay. So to create this sketch, go to create a sketch and select this face. And go to create project include project. And select this edge here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. We have this line here. And here the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line and this one. This line here has 54 millimeters and this one has 70 millimeters of length. So select a line, click here in this point, 54 millimeters. And here 70 millimeters. Okay. And now we will create this circle. This circle has 19 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and this line here is 19 millimeters. And this point here is vertical with this point. So select a circle. Make a circle here, 19 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of the circle and this point, 19 millimeters. And go to constraints, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this one. Okay. And now we will create this line and create this arc. And this arc here has 19 millimeters of radius. And this arc is tangent with the both lines, okay? So select line, click here in this point, make a line here. And now we will click with the left button and hold the left button to create an arc, okay? And make an arc here. And go to constraint, select the tangent, select this arc and this line, and make sure that this arc is tangent with this line. And go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 90 millimeters. We made this profile. Okay. And now we need to extrude this, and the thickness here is 13 millimeters. So finish the sketch, show this body here, and go to extrude, select this profile. The distance here minus 13 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.